आता मी ज्याला पहिल्यापासूनच ज्याच्याकडे बघून या प्रोग्रामचा विचार केला, आम्ही सगळ्यांशी डिस्कस केला, त्याच्यानंतर हा प्रोग्राम आपण सगळ्यांनी मिळून घडवून आणला, त्या सौरव सचिन काळेचं मी जोरदार तुम्ही टाळ्यांनी स्वागत करा. ही इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट वर्साटाईल चाइल्ड. उंचीने जरी जास्त दिसत असला तरी सुद्धा तो 8वीतच आहे आणि वय सुद्धा मॅच होतोय साधारण 8वीच्या हिशोबाने. तर तो आता सादर करणार आहे मिमिक्री. धूप हल्की हल्की छाई हुई आसमान में बादल मंडराते हुए.
You switch on the TV and there is Tony Gregg. Now Tony Gregg is a master of hype. He'll take one small thing and he'll make it so big that it seems like a very big feat. And he's a great fan of Sachin Tendulkar. You know what? On a typical innings by Sachin Tendulkar, he'll say, "Oh, what innings by Sachin Tendulkar? He has played very well today." And oh my God, that was such a nice shot. Into the fence he goes. Sachin Tendulkar is the greatest batsman in the world. And in the presentation, well, Sachin, you have played really nice, very good. And that last shot, that was very nice. Straight on the bat. How do you feel? Well, I thought certainly I thought that it was great. The ball was essentially coming onto the bat, but I think we played well as a team. Now, Jeffrey Boycott is one of the most funniest commentators I've ever heard in my whole life. And if a ODI bowler makes his debut in Test, and if he's a very good bowler, like 100 plus wickets, then Jeffrey Boycott will say, "Rubbish, this is absolutely rubbish. Anytime he bowls to my mom could play him at 6. Shiv Sundar Das, fielding at forward short leg, drops a simple catch. Jeffrey Boycott says, "When they go back to the pavilion, the Indian captain will say, 'Go home, play simple stiff, don't play cricket. This is international stiff.'" A very funny incident occurred with Michael Holding when he saw Adam Gilchrist hooking one. Well done, Adam Gilchrist. Not out at 8-1 at the moment in 100 balls. On top of his game, no doubt about that. The 75-76 West Indian team were a bunch of great hookers. I think for Australia, Adam Gilchrist is a good hooker as well. He is giving the people their money's worth. Thank you.
जोरदार टाळ्या वाजवा. याचा एक एकपात्री प्रयोग आपण सेकंड हाफ मध्ये बघणार आहोत.